Yeah, Spence here does not like the beach. I don't. Terry Rogers never really to live off the grid. A small generator for minimal electrical needs, no phone, no TV, no radio. The lab's material about the evil of the technology, living healthy off the land, that sort of thing. Sounds like the Unabomber. We did find a small stash of marijuana hidden away. Did you find any evidence the baby lived there or visited there? No. We just got the list of things that he loves to see. 4 jars of baby food. A body matching Roger's description was found in a river 10 miles out of town. Easy. Fishermen found him washed up on a bank. A lot of ligature marks on the wrists and ankles. There's no signs of violence or torture. A lot of care was taken with the killing and disposing of the body. Sedation and drowning. We may have to dramatically reassess who the unsub is. What do you mean? We might be looking for a woman. Mommy? Lexi! I told you never to come here by yourself. I'm hungry. Stay away from the bar. There's a lot of dangerous equipment in there. You could hurt yourself.
Sorry, baby.
Stay there. Stay there.
Go back to sleep. Go back to sleep. Oh, I don't want to play.
There's got to be something else that links this victim. We're all athletic. Keller teaches track and field. Deaver has a martial arts studio. Paul Hicks had tendonitis from playing competitive tennis. The Rogers trainer said that he was out of shape. The medical examiner determined Rogers' time of death. 3 hours from his final delivery. So the unsub kept Rogers alive the entire day before driving.
Okay, well, if you ain't going back to sleep, you want to tell my YouTube page hi?
Really bugging me. I can't figure out what Terry Rogers was doing those missing 5 months. I mean, you can't sit on a park bench in this country and not leave a paper trail.
But you figured it out.
No, this is inventing. What I did figure out was what Terry Rogers
Okay,
was
I'm
doing
sorry. I
before
didn't mean to
he
put
was
light in
made
your face.
He was
I'm
married,
sorry.
divorced,
You
married
know,
again,
come back.
way behind on child support payments to wife number 2.
Are you telling me that you to talk to your butt?
Those child support would explain why Roger vanished for 5 months.
Why did
He turned away and put his butt in my face.
That's what links him with the other victims. They all fathered children.
Yeah, I'm
I
sorry.
believe the unsub that we're looking for is a woman who is highly organized, she's thorough, and she's patient. Based on the complexity and sophistication of the abductions, we think she's
So,
most likely between the ages of 30
I actually have school today, and I skipped to go to work. And my dad and my brother, I got ready and they left me. So now I'm at home playing with my little pupper.
She's abducting exceptionally healthy.
Well, I was until he became a big lazy butt and went to sleep.
Possible breeding.
Big lazy puppy.
The ability to father children is something we think she's looking for in the victims. They're all age appropriate.
We just got him the other day.
Why kill the last victim? She may have seen him as being flawed. He was the least physically fit of the 4 and neglected to pay child support, making him undesirable. The victims may be surrogates for a man that she wants, but she cannot have. Because she killed the last victim, we have to consider the possibility that the unsub was engaged in some sort of elimination
Wake up.
process. Pre-selecting a handful
Quit
of
being
prime
lazy.
candidates and then whittling them down one by one until she has her ideal breeding partner. And if this is the case, then the killing's just begun.
Yeah, tell them hi. What's up with the way you're laying down, baby? Oh, I can't whistle.
Mommy, what's the matter? We got a frequent flyer.
Which one?
The tomato lady.
You too good for me now? I don't want your butt on my face. Let me see your tail. There you go.
Dr. Gloria, thank God you're here. Those other doctors don't understand my history.
Yeah, hey, I thought we talked about this last time.
Yeah, we did. But the scleroderma came back. Look.
There's nothing on your arm.
It's right there.
He's watching my
You
TV.
treated me after my husband died. It's the same thing.
Yeah, your scleroderma was treated successfully. Okay, you are fine now.
But this could be a mutation. Things mutate. What about Stevens-Johnson syndrome?
Stevens-Johnson is extremely rare.
Want some Skittles?
You're blistering all over your face.
Yeah, that got your attention.
I'm not crazy.
Skittles.
To me, there may be other issues that are going on with you. Did you contact the therapist that I recommended?
Yeah,
No.
he's a fat baby. He stole my French fries last night. I made some homemade French fries, and I put some cheese on it, and I cooked some. Well, my brother cooked bacon and made it into bacon bits, and we sprinkled them on top. And he stole my French fry. Didn't you, baby? You didn't even finish it neither. I don't think you liked it.
Wouldn't be the first time someone crossed borders to get away from troubles.
Guys, there's something interesting about
You hear
this
that?
first
That's him
one.
breathing.
The
I'm
items
here.
are garlic, green
I'm
tea,
here.
vitamin D, ginger. All these items are specifically known to boost the immune system. What if Terry Rogers was seriously ill?
His name is Jack.
Side effect of
It's
radiation
little
triggers
Jack.
sores inside the mouth. In fact, doctors advise you to eat an
And for some reason, my mom keeps naming our dogs after my friends. Isn't that right, Jackie?
You and JJ go to the medical examiner and have them look specifically for a pre-existing condition with Roger.
He's a pit bull. And he's a purebred. We got him for free, which is crazy, but... Okay, I guess I'll end the video here because he doesn't look like he's going back to sleep. But yeah, this is my puppy. So, maybe I can catch other videos of him sleeping.
Checked himself into an experimental clinic in Mexico. Cancer. That's why the UNSUP disposed of him so quickly.
Skittles.
It was Hodgkin's lymphoma.
Did you find any sedatives in that system?
I knew I had 3 bags. There's another one over here. And a sucker.
Marijuana, pops,
My mom gave us a whole bunch of candy last night.
Take a look at the bottom. The sawdust residue cake from the nostrils. Not just any sawdust. Pure pine wood pellet sawdust. It's usually imported from China. Was it a 0.5% mixture? I don't know. All I know is it's not your everyday spread on the floor sawdust.
Can you at least look at the camera? Can you give him a smile?
Yeah.
He smiled last night. And it was
That was
adorable.
great. They found a half
Smile.
dozen natural sedatives in Roger's system. I don't get it. The UNSUP's drugging victims and trusting
So,
them with some kind of
okay.
ways that
Yeah, I'm going to end the video right here. Bye, guys.